Now what is next? What next? Now we have what? Absence patterns. Now absence plans, absence types. Now what are the absence types? Generic absence, childbirth injury, illness and injury. Okay? So right here as right on first date, generic absence, continue. Type attribute right as US underscore absences. Generic absence है ना ये. Conversion formula, validation, eligibility profile you can write to. Right? Okay. Legislative data group you can write as US legislative data group. Status active. Duration rules are what? Duration rules are what? That means for generic absence, duration rules are what? Duration means like what is the duration? If you cross that duration, the system will throw an error. Duration is 10 days, I suppose. The system will show a warning. Okay, maximum duration limit. Maximum duration is like 20 hours, you can say. Okay, partial day rule. Okay, and I'm checking all these check boxes. Allow assignment selection at absence entry. Attachment allowed, types allowed all. If I want to attach all the files, mandatory for employees, managers, and administrators. So you want to allow all these things. Conversion formula, if you want to go to plans and reasons. Select and add. Now in absence type, you can select the plans and you can select the reasons. What are the plans and what are the reasons? You have to select the plans. If you have created an absence plan, attach your absence plan. Search. Absence plans, okay? Okay, priority 1. Okay. Absence reasons is what? Birth of a child or COVID-19, whatever linkage you absence reasons, that means what are the absence reasons, COVID-19, corona, like whatever reasons you give. Display features. Display features, that means what are the tabs you want to display to the you can ESS and MSS, that means what are the tabs you want to enable at the manager level and what are the tabs you have to enable at the employee level, right? So reason, attachments and comments you want to display, so make it as display only. Attachments. Qualified entitlements, employees. If you want to see that these things are available to employees, managers, and administrators. Okay. Approvals and processing rules. You want to see like approval processing. So you want to enable this thing, initial entry, deferred processing, approval processing, all these things you want to enable it at the ESS, employee service and manager self-service level. So you want to enable these things. So you have enabled that thing. Okay. Now coming to schedule, planned, absence end date, absence start date, entry required, submit, absence end date, display and edit. This is the doctor certificate I have created. Save and close. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the absence type we have created. Now create another one. Type attributes. US underscore absence plan. Sorry, absence type. Status active. Conversion formula you can write. LT profile you can write. Earning type childbirth. Event type, event type. Minimum duration alert. Warning. Minimum duration, suppose 6 months you can take. Maximum duration warning. Eight months. Suppose, okay? Evaluation of the schedule hierarchy to determine the schedule to calculate absence durations. Okay. Evaluate absence for schedule changes. Evaluation extension period. $30 days ka extension period. That means you can take a leave. Evaluation period absence entry. That means you can take 30 days ka period and then you can move on. Okay. Absence. Enable lock if complete for employee, lock if for manager. Types allowed, attachment tools, all files are allowed. So all these things are there. Mandatory for employees, you can write there. Mandatory for managers, mandatory for administrators. So all these things you can write. Plans and reasons, that means you have to attach your absence plans and absence reasons. Write your absence plans. What are the absence plans that you have? It's like you cannot understand absences in one go. Click for your whichever absence plan. Click on your absence plans. Priority 10. Okay. Absence reasons. You can write birth of a child. Default no. So this is the absence plan. Manager service do not. That means if manager gives you comment, I don't want that comment to be seen by anybody. Okay.
Okay.
Like suppose manager has given me a bad comment that she's not good at work or whatever. So I don't want the other employees will see that thing. No?
Okay.
I don't want other employees to see that. So do not display. So you can make that thing also. You can understand?
Yeah.
No, reason. Reason is what? Do not display. Display only reason. Okay. Do not display manager self-service. Reason, okay. Display only. That is the reason. That means I will display the reason. That means this is the reason that she's getting good performance. If she has a good performance, so display only. That means I want to display that reason. Okay. Action items. Select and add. Right here as doctor certificate. Okay. Right? Done. Save and close. So this is the way. Now you're going to create this.